Hey guys, welcome back to Little Piece of Heaven Farm. As you can see, it's another sunny day and they say it'll get up into the 60s. Good working weather. So that means today we're going to continue working on the camper here, on the RV, travel trailer, wherever you want to call it. And we're going to work on the dinette set and the sofa. Hey, we're outside here putting on some new fabric for our dinette set. I think she forgot to turn it on. Well. That looks pretty good. Can't wait till you see what it looks like when we get back in the camper. Yep. Okay. Put this one in there.
project here. These are the buttons that came off the dinettes that we have in the trailer. And they're for the snaps. Well, doing some investigating, there is a machine for this, but I'm not going to spend the money on a machine for 14 buttons. So I figured out a way how to do this, and nobody online has done this that I know of. I've looked, I searched YouTube, everything. So I'm using this peel and stick fabric fuse stuff, and I use our scraps to cut out little circles, and I use the bottle cap of my water because it's a perfect size, because if you put it on, see, it'll cover it. So I've already done some here. So they're sitting there. So I'm gonna do a few. I got 6 more left to do, and it's kind of easy. I take 2 of these little pieces of paper and I put it on the circle, one little tab at a time, and I push it in, get it to here, and it's double sticky side on each side, and you gotta peel off this one paper, which can be a pain to peel. You just gotta get it started. Once you get it started, it's fine. You can get it to go. Of course, we're filming it now, it's not doing it. But there it goes. So I got one side done. And I'll take another one. And I kind of overlap it. And I'll press it on. And this stuff is really sticky. And I take my button and I try to center it as much as possible. Sometimes I get it in the center, sometimes I don't. And I just push on it to get it the top part to here. It doesn't take long. And then I just start picking it up and smushing all the sides to the side of the button. Now, the machine does this all on its own with the little plastic piece. But if I was in the business to remodel old trailers, then I would buy one, but this is just for us. So, pushing it around, this is how I figured how to do it. So, once I get all these other ones done, we'll take you out in the trailer and I'll show you what we're doing. So, let me do one more for you guys, and then we'll get going. just like that. Okay guys, here's the little snaps that we're talking about where these buttons fit. So you just put them on, snap them in there. See how nicely they blend in? And I'm also just making sure that the edges are down. When we go to snap them in. So you just gotta work with them. I mean, it's the next best thing than not having them on or using the wrong color like some people do. They're all in now on both benches, and they look really good. So yeah, they blend in really good. So when you go to renovate your dinettes, just think about the double-sided sticky fabric fuse and use that and do your buttons.
Well, somehow we lost some video clips of us redoing the sofa, or maybe we just forgot to press record, or we were so busy working in the RV we completely forgot about it. But anyhow, here's the picture of the sofa with the new pillows and sofa cover. I think it's looking pretty good. Just one step closer to this RV trip we'll be taking towards the end of May and throughout the summer. Anyway, we're gonna go ahead and end this video right here, and thanks for stopping by and checking out our RV renovation, and we'll see you on the next one.